Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a subscription box unboxing. This is a company called Confetti Collection. I worked with them not too long ago and they wanted to send me another one of their subscription boxes. This is for the June-July box. I cannot wait to see what's in this. I haven't even looked. I actually just received it in the mail and thought I might as well do a video because I can't wait to open this. The last one was amazing. They have some really fun like stationery set boxes type subscription boxes like that. They do, like I said, a subscription box every other month. It's 20 bucks every other month, so it's 20 bucks a box. I think it's a really great deal. I think they're fun, and I know some people are like, that's too much for a subscription box with stationery. Like, no, it's not. Anyways, I'm gonna open this. It comes in a giant box like this, and I love their packaging on the inside. This is the packaging and it's what it looks like. Like I said, I have not opened it at all. Okay, so the first thing is when I open this is I see a mug. I am just going to grab that because that is the first thing I seen. This is super cute. This is really cute. It's a enamel mug. I love this. The colors are so pretty. I already love this, and you can either like drink out of this. I just got a bunch of tea, so I could use this, or you could like decorate with it. You could put pens and pencils in it. You could put succulents in it, so you don't always just have to like use a mug for a mug. Like there's too many different options to use for a mug, but so far I love this. Love the print of it, and then they always just wrap the rest up in a nice little tissue paper like this. And I'm thrilled about this print because like I said, everything always matches really nice in their boxes. Here is the rest of everything. Okay, so I'm thinking that all their boxes are very similar to each other. This is a Color Me notepad. I love Color Me anything. So it's like a longer one like this. And then inside just has lines and then like little things that you can color. I like this a lot already. And then the next thing is, it says list, and then it looks like it's a little notebook that opens from the bottom. And like I said, this print, like I said, everything matches. I think this is amazing. I think this needs to go like right in my purse because I always make grocery lists and I never take them with me. So this is super cute. It's like a hard, I love that. The rest is in here. I'm just gonna dump this all out so you don't have to hear the wrapping. The next thing is this cute little bag, and this is also like a really great gift idea. So even if you get the subscription box and you don't like any of this stuff, you can always just wrap this up for a gift. Like how cheap for a $20 gift? You get like a bag, you get ribbon, you get the bows, and then you have a mug and some paper and super fun things like that for a gift. So I think this is super cool for that too. Also comes with napkins that match the mug. I don't know why I like this so much. I think this is like a really thrilling box for me, I guess. The last two things in here are these. Okay, this is like stuck together. Okay, these are little notepads. Okay, this is cute. I'm not sure what I'd use these for, but they're little butterflies and they look like they're little notepads. We're just gonna open them because I really just want to see exactly what they are. Oh, they are little notepads. I have super giant handwriting, so I could fit like 3 letters on here, but these are still really cute. I guess you could always like decorate with them, or if you're gonna do like a DIY or something and you want butterflies and you want to paint these, or I don't know, use them as they are. Still really cute. And then the last thing is just another butterfly like notepad, and this is really cute. So you guys, I love this box. So you kind of already know what you're getting every other month, but you're getting it every other month. So you're not paying $20 a month. You're paying 20 bucks every other month. So I don't know. I think it's a really great deal. I like it. It's a fun little box. So when you're having a sad day and you receive this in the mail, like, you know your day is going to be way better. But anyways, I'll leave the links in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!